Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last tutorial, I explained C# in detail. Today, we'll take the next step and learn how to install Visual Studio, which is essential for writing C# code. Visual Studio is a powerful development environment that will make your coding experience much easier and more efficient. If you missed the first tutorial on C# basics, I recommend watching it before proceeding with this one. Let's get started with the installation process. Now that you know why C# is important, let's talk about the tool we'll use to write our code, an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. An IDE provides a comprehensive environment for programming, making it easier to write, debug, and manage your code. For C#, the most popular IDE is Visual Studio. It offers many features that will help you code efficiently, such as code completion, debugging tools, and project management. To get started, you'll need to download Visual Studio. You can find the download link on the Microsoft website. Here. Once you have downloaded it, follow the installation instructions to set it up. In the next section, I'll guide you through the installation process. Click on the Link drop-down and select Visual Studio Community 2022. Then click on Free Download. Go to the Download, select, and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Continue. Continue. Yes. After installing, click Launch to start Visual Studio. Now that you have Visual Studio installed, we can move on to creating your first C# project. This is where you'll start practicing your coding skills. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of C# programming. Thank you for watching this lecture on installing Visual Studio. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. In our next lecture, we'll get practical and explore how to use C# for scripting and coding. Stay tuned for that.